Hello guys, this is Charlene from 311 BBE and now I'm making this video to share my realizations tungkol sa demo teaching namin with Teacher Pia. So, I want to say thank you to Teacher Pia first kasi without her, it's not gonna be possible, and of course to our professor who always giving us a chance to proceed with our demo teaching. So, my realizations is that we always need to have backup plans. Dapat lagi kang may iba't ibang plano. Kasi, when you become a teacher, ang dami talagang insidente na mangyayari or ang daming aberya na pwedeng mangyari along the way. So, we need to have backup plans kasi hindi pwedeng makompromise yung pagtuturo natin sa mga mag-aaral. And I want to work on that kasi nga, hindi naging madali yung experience namin sa aming online demo teaching. Muntikan na kami hindi makapag-proceed. So, I want to learn more. I want to work more on myself. Na hindi dapat iisa lang yung plano. Dapat marami akong plano. And I want to improve also my way of asking questions or making activities kasi yun yung mag-i-engage sa estudyante para matuto. And that would be all. Thank you.